In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can disable Nether on Aternos server. Basically, first things first, head over to aternos.org and then you want to proceed by logging in your account. From here, you then want to select the server that you want to modify. In our case, we are going to turn off the Nether. Basically, inside this page, you can just scroll down, click on the options tab, which is going to be at the side of your screen, and basically it will then be at the server properties. Just make sure to turn off Nether and you should be good to go. Now in some other cases, like my server right here, it won't allow me to simply turn off the Nether. Another alternative way is to head over to the plugins option. In here, you simply want to search for Nether. Now there's going to be a little bit trick when using the plugin option, but we then have the disable portal plugin, but this mod will go ahead and disable the Nether and the end at the same time, so there's a catch to it. But as of right now, this is the way to do it if you don't have the Nether option on your options category. So just click on the disable portal. In here, you then want to select your version. I'll then click on the most recent one right here. After clicking on download, you then want to click on the plugins option once more and make sure that you have enabled your plugin. So to make sure that you have applied it properly, click on files, navigate through plugins, and in here you will be able to see the disable portal option. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.